Hello everyone, Big Friendly Wargamer here. It is Saturday the 23rd of March. I've got my latest set of Warhammer 40,000 Conquest just been delivered, and I thought I'd do an unboxing for you. I can't remember what issues, 27, 28, 29, 30 I think. But you'll find out when I set the camera up and start unboxing it, as you always do. Right, so here we go. Another unboxing. My knife as usual. Again, keep knife off streets, kids. We've got the usual paperwork, which you don't need to see because it's got my address on it. Right, it has. Okay. A new binder, which is for the actual magazines to store in. Nothing much to see there. Now we've got the 4 issues. I'll put that box there. Right, so we have issue 27, which is the Rhino. We've seen one of these already because I've already got one. It's 29, 28. Issue 28 is, which is the upgraded Rhino sprues for the Kelsey bits. 29, which is you've got the Captain in Gravis armor, you've got Interceptor, you've got 2 Intercessors I believe, and a Hellblaster, or it could be the wrong other way around. But it's issue 29, and issue 30, which is War Train. So I'm going to start with issue 27. I'll put these around here. So I'm not going to do a very thorough going through of issue 27 because if you've seen my previous video, I've already done one. I've done it as a bonus one because I had a bonus Rhino, which the Rhino is right there. So I'm going to get this second one is going to get built again. It's going to get beaten up like my other Rhino. So I'm not actually going to do a flick through of the magazine for the issue 27. Put that there. But issue 28. So the magazine could go there for now. Now, don't get me wrong, these are nice. These sprues. I'll zoom in like that for you. They're the Kelsey bits. So you've got lots of spikes and more of these, which are good. The door panels. So yeah, they're okay. I didn't generally put much of this on the other Rhino. Let's put that back in the box. And then you've got the biggest sprue. Let's go that way up. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. Again, loads of spikes. The different Chaos Gods marks. The Havoc launcher. The combi bolter and stuff, which is there. Lots of hooks and spiky bits. Generally very chaosy. And in issue 28. Zoom back out with that. So it tells you about the Predator tank, which isn't what you get with this, but that's okay. Different Predator chassis, which, okay. I don't know why they're telling you about Predators, because you don't get Predators in this set at all, but it is what it is. Different Predators, the names of them I suppose. Death on Damnos, which is, Damnos was a campaign between Ultramarines and Necrons. There's a little bit of story here. Talking about Mortarion, who's the Death Guard Primarch. How to paint the Rhino, which is might be useful, might not. Takes up quite a bit of space in this. And it's telling you about how transports work in 40k, how you disembark from them, giving you a data sheet for a Rhino, and then new mission, Mechanised Warfare, and Armoured Assault. So yeah, okay. That's issue 28. So number 29. Just got to watch for the bases in these. Right, so again, models first. So you got 4 guys in here. The bases, don't need to worry about the bases for now. Let's put it up that way. It's a really big weird thing. Zoom in. So this is a sprue from Dark Imperium. So you've basically, this is the Captain in Gravis armor, which is in various bits. You've got the Interceptor, which is the jump pack guy. You've got Intercessor Sergeant, I believe, and you've got a Hellblaster, or is it 2 Hellblasters? I think it's just the 1 Hellblaster. I'll look to it thoroughly once I get into the magazine. But that's the sprues for the models. Again, put them back in the box. Zoom back out rather than zooming in. And issue 29. So it tells you about Space Marine captains, what their specialisations are and stuff like that. Some of the honour marks that they gain. More about Space Marines. So it shows you the Ultramarine Second Company. Now, oh yeah, it's continued on the other page. A bit of history, more history of Space Marines. So the whole Second Company, which is continued over there, which I find quite funny because these are all generic, they're all normal Marines. None of these are Primaris Marines, any of these that are shown here. So it's kind of a little bit out of date, but it's okay. A little bit of history of Clash of Champions. Some Demons of Nurgle, talk about the Plague Bearers. And then got you building the Space Marines on the sprues. So there's an Intercessor Sergeant, there's a Hellblaster Sergeant, there's a Space Marine Captain, and then there's an Intercessor Sergeant. Okay, so I kind of got it wrong. Then it's telling you how to paint them, Ultramarine colours again. The one thing I don't like, I really don't like this long base that the Interceptor comes on. New rules and a new mission. Gives you stats for the captain. And a bit weird that you got a blank page there, but still, that's okay. Again, that could go in the box. Then we come to issue 30. So starting with the models, which is really chunky set of ruins. Like, these are quite heavy for the fact that they're just plastic. They're quite dense as well. I mean, you can't see, but that's the weight of it. They are quite chunky. Nice ruins. I haven't got any of these yet, so these are quite nice. to add to my massively growing terrain collection. At this point I'm going to have a very busy battlefield when I use it all. And issue 30, zoom back out, no, zoom in. Right, so this issue talking about the Primarchs. Lionel Johnson, talking about fights between them. So Lionel Johnson fought Night Hunter, Horace fought Lehman Russ, Fulgrim fought Magnus, Ferrus Manus, sorry. Key battles, chapter planets where the chapters are based. This is my Blood Angel planet, Bow. And more homeworlds of the Space Marines. Heralds of Nurgle, which is more demons. I know there's some demons coming later on, but it's going to be not for a while, I wouldn't think. Pox Bringers. So it's another historic battle, City of the Dead. Shows you the World Eaters were involved in it. They're called Riser Ruins. These new ones. So these are the ones that have started to come with Kill Team, and they are fairly new models. Look quite nice and chunky. There's not a lot of it there, but that's fine. Showing you how to paint it as well. Paint it in a very weird colour scheme, but still. Talking about how to use ruins during the games. Taking cover in ruins. That's nice. This is a nice little campaign map. That's pretty cool. I like that. New mission, Urban Carnage. And the mission map. And what we've got in the next couple of issues. So more paints. Because who needs more paints? And a Primaris Apothecary. So there, that's going to be it for today. I'll turn my camera around and do my outro. Right, so yeah, that was my unboxing issues 27 to 30. I'm going to keep doing these because they're just nice videos I can put out. They're quite short. I'm hoping they're useful to people. If they are, then just let me know if they are. And if you feel like subscribing to my channel, feel free. It's a nice easy way of letting me know that you find my videos interesting. So yeah, I've got another Rhino to build for my Death Guard, so I have got some Death Guard to do. I've got the current Rhino, which is that one, which is base coated already. And I'm going to scratch up and really damage up this other one. But that's going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a subscribe and a like if you want to. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.